A very good morning to all my dear students. So, today we are going to read the chapter number 5 from our book A Pact with the Sun. And the name of the chapter is Tansen. And I'm pretty sure that everyone knows who Tansen was. So, he was one of the courtiers in Akbar's court, and he was very popular singer at that time. Even now, we remember him for his singing. So, this is the chapter about Tansen, some of his life incidents, his childhood, and how did he reach to Akbar's court. So, in the first part of the story, we will read Tansen was the only child of his parents. Naughty but talented, he imitated the calls of birds and animals perfectly. Imitated means copied, right? Once he tried to frighten a group of travelers by roaring like a tiger. So let's get started. You may have heard the name of Tansen, the greatest musician our country has produced. Our country has produced कि एक ऐसा महान म्यूजिशियन जिसने हमारी कंट्री में जन्म लिया. A singer called Mukandan Mishra and his wife lived in Behat near Gwalior. So, a singer whose name was Mukandan Mishra, along with his wife, they lived near Gwalior in a village named Behat. Tansen was their only child, so Tansen was the son of Mukandan Mishra and his wife. It is said that he was a naughty child, means in childhood he was quite naughty, as you, some of you are also very naughty now. So, in this way, Tansen was naughty too. Often he ran away to play in the forest. As he lived near the forest, so he just ran to the forest and soon learned to imitate perfectly the calls of birds and animals, because most of the times he spent in forest. So he was so intelligent that, and he was so talented that he quickly learned to copy the calls of birds and animals in a perfect manner. A famous singer named Swami Haridas was once traveling through the forest with his disciples. Disciples means pupils. So, along with his pupils, Swami Haridas was traveling through that forest. Tired, the group settled down to rest in a shady grove. Grove means a group of trees, where there is a group of trees, and in the shade of those group of trees, the whole group settled down. Tansen saw them, strangers in the forest. He said to himself, "It will be fun to frighten them." उसने मन में सोचा, वाह कितना मजा आएगा इनको डराने में. He hid behind a tree and roared like a tiger. The little group of travelers scattered in fear. Scattered means they just started running. बिखरना नहीं कहते हम, भागने लगे और बिखर गए. In fear, डर के मारे, because they thought that it was a real tiger. It was the roar of a real tiger, and see how talented Tansen was, that they could not make out a difference that it was a real call, it was a real roar, or an artificial one. So they just scattered in fear. But Swami Haridas called them together. Don't be afraid, he said. Tigers are not always dangerous. Let us look for this one. Suddenly, one of his men saw a small boy hiding behind a tree. अब वो पकड़ा गया, चोरी करता हुआ, चोरी कह लो, वो लड़का, छोटा लड़का पकड़ा गया, because one of the men in the group, he just saw him. There are no tigers here, master, and he was his disciple, Swami Haridas disciple, and he told his master that there are no tigers, only this naughty boy, कि ये सिर्फ एक शरारती बच्चा है. So, in the next part of the story, we will learn Tansen learnt music from Swami Haridas for 11 years. He stayed with a holy man called Muhammad Ghaus. He married Hussaini, one of the ladies in the court of Rani Mrignani. Swami Haridas did not punish him. He could punish Tansen But Swami Haridas at once realized that he is not a boy who could be punished, but he is talented one and he should learn something from him. So he did not punish him. He went to Tansen's father and said, "Your son is very naughty. He is also very talented. I think I can make him a good singer." So instead of punishing him, he made him a good singer because वो कहते हैं ना कि छोटे होते ही आप में वो गुण दिखने शुरू हो जाते हैं. इफ यू कैन बी अ गुड सिंगर, इफ यू कैन बी अ गुड एक्टर, यू स्टार्ट शोइंग दीज साइंस इन योर childhood only. ठीक है. So Tansen was 10 years old when he went away with Swami Haridas. तो वो 10 साल के थे जब वो उन्हें अपने साथ ले गए. He lived with him for 11 years. He was of 10 years and he lived 11 years with Swami Haridas, means now his age is 21 years. Learning music and became a great singer. और वो एक बहुत ही महान सिंगर बने. At about this time, his parents died. वो दोनों नहीं रहे दुनिया में. मुकंदन मिश्रा's dying wish was that, अब एक होती है ना मरने के टाइम मरते हुए इंसान की एक आखिरी इच्छा होती है. So मुकंदन मिश्रा's last wish was that तानसेन should visit मोहम्मद गौस of ग्वालियर. कि तानसेन को ग्वालियर में मोहम्मद गौस के पास जाना चाहिए. So who was मोहम्मद गौस? मोहम्मद गौस वॉज अ होली मैन, एक पवित्र आदमी था. एज वी वर्शिप आर गुरुज, वी फॉलो आर गुरुज. आपको पता है हम कुछ गुरुओं को मानते हैं. ठीक है जी, हम गुरुद्वारा में जाते हैं, किसी आश्रम में जाते हैं. वी आर फॉलोअर ऑफ वन और द other holy persons. So in the same way, Mukandan Mishra was follower of Muhammad Ghaus. मुकंदन मिश्रा had long been devoted to him. बहुत लंबे टाइम से वो मुकंदन मिश्रा जो थे, ही वॉज डिवोटेड टू मोहम्मद गौस. डिवोट करना मतलब उनके भक्त थे, उनको फॉलो करते थे, उनको मानते थे. एंड ऑफन विजिटेड हिम while living in Gwalior with Muhammad Ghaus. Tansen was often taken to the court of Rani Mrignani. अब ग्वालियर में रहते हुए मोहम्मद गौस के साथ मोहम्मद गौस उनको रानी मृगनैनी के दरबार में ले जाते थे. हु वॉज अ ग्रेट म्यूजिशियन हर सेल्फ. वाई डिड मोहम्मद गौस take Tansen to her court? Because Rani Mrignani was also a great musician and Tansen was also a great musician who learnt from Swami Haridas. So just showcase his talent to Rani Mrignani, he used to take him to her court. There he met and married one of the ladies of the court. Her name was Hussaini. So Hussaini became Tansen's wife. Hussaini also became Swami Haridas' disciple. वो भी उनकी शिष्या बन गई. Tansen and Hussaini had 5 children who were all very musical. 5 बच्चे जो कि सबके सब म्यूजिकल थे. मीन्स ऑल हैड इंटरेस्ट इन म्यूजिक एंड दे वर परफेक्ट इन म्यूजिक. तानसेन हैड बाय दिस टाइम बिकम वेरी फेमस. वो बहुत फेमस हो चुके थे. समटाइम्स ही sang बिफोर एम्परर अकबर who was so impressed by him that he insisted तानसेन should join his court. वो इतना ज्यादा प्रभावित हो गए, इतना इम्प्रेस हो गए. अकबर was so impressed by his singing that he forced तानसेन to join his court. And ऐसा माना जाता है, माना नहीं जाता, ऐसा है that there were 9 gems in the court of Akbar, and all the gems were master in different categories. Like one was master in wit and wisdom, one was a great decision maker, another was a great singer, another one was a great sportsman, someone was very good at art and painting, someone was very good at handling war like things. So ऐसे माना जाता है कि उसके कोर्ट में बहुत समझदार 9 wise persons थे, जिनको हम नवरत्न भी कहते हैं. इन इंग्लिश में इट इज कॉल्ड 9 gems. सो इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी वी विल रीड Tansen became a favorite in Akbar's court. Once he was asked to sing Raga Deepak. Tansen asked his daughter and her friend to sing Raga Megh after Raga Deepak to counteract the effect of the letter. Letter means पिछले वाले का इफेक्ट को खत्म करने के लिए. Counteract करना means इफेक्ट को खत्म करना, उसको कैंसिल करना. लेटर रागा इज रागा दीपक. सो रागा दीपक के इफेक्ट को खत्म करने के लिए he asked his daughter and her friend to sing Raga Megh. Tansen went to Akbar's court in 1556 and soon became a great favorite of the emperor. jaldi hi favorite ban gaye. Akbar would call upon Tansen to sing at any time during the day or night. उनका जब भी मन करता वो तानसेन को बुला लेते, चाहे रात चाहे दिन. Quite often he would just walk into Tansen's house to hear him practice. So these were the two reasons that he was a favorite of him. And quite often he just went to his house so that he could hear him practicing. उसको अभ्यास करते हुए सुन सके. He also gave him many presents. Some of the courtiers became jealous of Tansen. So this was the reason, these were two reasons that the other courtiers of the court, they were jealous of Tansen. We shall never be able to rest till Tansen is ruined. Ruined means बर्बाद हो जाना. कि हम तब तक रेस्ट नहीं करेंगे जब तक कि तानसेन बर्बाद नहीं हो जाता. They declared. They just expressed their anger. One of the courtiers, Shaukat Mia, had a bright idea. He got a very interesting idea in his mind. Let us make him sing Raga Deepak. And what was his idea? कि क्यों ना हम तान से दीपक राग गवाएं. How will that help us? Asked another man because he didn't know about Raga Deepak. So Shaukat Mia replied, if Raga Deepak is properly sung, it makes the air so hot that the singer is burnt to ashes. Means the singer himself starts getting burning and he just मिक्स अप इनटू डस्ट. कि वो खुद ही राख बन के रह जाता है, जल के राख बन जाता है जब रागा दीपक गाया जाता है. तो उससे हवा इतनी गर्म हो जाती है, ऐसी उसमें से ज्वाला निकलती है, फ्लेम्स, द फ्लेम्स ऑफ फायर ऐसी निकलती हैं कि जो सिंगर है वो खुद ही जल के राख हो जाता है. तानसेन is a very good singer. If he sings Raga Deepak, he will die. And we will be rid of him. Rid of him means उससे छुटकारा मिल जाएगा. ठीक है जी. So that was the idea that came into his mind कि if he sings Raga Deepak, he would die and they would be free of Tansen. Okay. So Shaukat Mia went to Akbar and said, we don't think Tansen is a great singer. Let us test him. क्यों ना उसको टेस्ट किया जाए. Tell him to sing Raga Deepak. Only the greatest singers can sing it properly. Now, Akbar, now just because of his proud, just because of his trust and belief on Tansen, he just abruptly said, of course, he can sing it. Tansen can sing anything. Akbar said. Tansen was afraid, but could not disobey the king. As Akbar ordered him to sing Raga Deepak, he became very afraid. He was very afraid, but at the same time, he could not disobey his king. As we cannot disobey our elders, we cannot disobey our teachers, as you students cannot disobey your teachers. In the same way, Tansen could not disobey the king. So he said, very well, my lord. He said, but give me time to prepare myself. Tansen went home. He had never been more downcast. Downcast means in low spirits. जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा मायूस हो जाते हो. When you are not in your spirit and unhappy. You become very unhappy. You are in your spirit. कुछ नहीं बचता आपके अंदर. You feel very down. I can sing the raga. उसने कहा मैं राग तो गा सकता हूँ. He told his wife, but the heat it gives off will not only set the lamps alight, it will also burn me to ashes. कि गा तो मैं लूं पर इससे जो आग आएगी ना, जो इससे हीट निकलेगी, it will not only set the lamps burn, but it will also burn me. Then he had an idea. Now Tansin was also very wise, he was very talented. So he just got an idea in his mind. If someone sings Raga Megh at the same time and sings it properly, it will bring rain. तो रागा दीपक के बाद रागा मेघ गाओ तो बारिश आ जाएगी. तो उससे क्या होगा, जाओ आपकी आसपास की गर्म हवा है वो सब ठंडी पड़ जाएगी. Perhaps our daughter Saraswati and her friend Roopwati could do it, he said. तो उसको पूरा विश्वास था कि उसकी डॉटर सरस्वती और सरस्वती की फ्रेंड रूपवती, both of them could sing raga Megh. He taught the two girls to sing raga Megh. They practiced night and day for 2 weeks. Tansen told them, "You must wait till the lamps start burning." कि तुम्हें तब तक तो वेट करनी पड़ेगी, because it has been asked to me to burn the lamps alight, and till the times these get lighted you have to wait, and after that you will start singing. So, in the next part of the story, we will read both ragas were sung according to plan. Akbar punished Tansen's enemies. Tansen died in 1585. So, the legend. Legend means जो आपका एक बहुत क्या कह सकते हैं, बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट पर्सन हो पास्ट टाइम का, उसको हम लेजेंड कहते हैं, लेजेंडरी, जिसमें जो कि बहुत टैलेंटेड और बहुत रिस्पेक्टेड पर्सन हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड द लेजेंड. सो द लेजेंड गोज दैट on the appointed day the whole town assembled to hear तानसेन सिंह रागा दीपक. और जब वो लेजेंड, वो तानसेन वहां फिक्स दिन पे पहुंचा, and the whole town gathered there to hear him. When he began to sing, the air became warm. हवा गर्म हो गई. Soon people in the audience mean उसको सुनने वाले, उसको देखने वाले, means the spectators, were bathed in perspiration. Perspiration means sweat. वो सब पसीने से नहा गए. Bathed means second form of bath. Bathed. So they were looking as they had a bath in sweat. The leaves on the trees dried up and fell to the ground. As the music continued, birds fell dead because of the heat, and the waters in the river began to boil. पक्षी भी गिर के मर गए, पानी जो नदियों में था वो उबलने लगा. People cried out in terror. Terror means fear. लोग जो थे वो डर से चिल्लाने लगे. As flames shot up. Shot up means rose. आउट ऑफ नोवेयर. नोवेयर मीन्स यहां वहां से, जो आग की लपटें थी वो यहां वहां से निकलने लगी. एंड लाइटेड द लैम्प्स, एंड दोज फ्लेम्स लिट द लैम्प्स, एंड हिज कंडीशन वाज फुलफिल्ड. एज सुन एज the lamps were lit, at once Saraswati and Roopwati began to sing Raga Megh. As soon as the lamps were lit, at that time only, Saraswati and her friend, they started singing Raga Megh. The sky clouded over, overcast, badal chha gaye, and the rain came down. Tansen was saved. So in this way, he saved his life. The story goes means ऐसे माना जाता है that he was very ill after this. He became very sick after singing Raga Deepak, and Akbar was sorry that he had caused him so much suffering. और उसने वो बहुत शर्मिंदा हुआ कि उसके कारण उसको इतना कुछ झेलना पड़ा. He punished Tansen's enemies. So you remember Shaukat Mia? It was which Mia? Shaukat Mia. So he and his friends, they were punished for this punishable act. When Tansen got well, the entire city rejoiced. Rejoiced means they became happy and celebrated this happiness. Tansen remained Akbar's court singer till 1585 when he died. So, till his last breath, he remained singer in Akbar's court. He composed several new ragas. कंपोज करना कहते हैं ना, कंपोजर्स होते हैं, रचना करना किसी चीज की. सो उसने और कई नए रागों की रचना की. तानसेन tomb is in ग्वालियर. उसका मकबरा है ग्वालियर में तानसेन का, एंड इट इज अ प्लेस ऑफ पिलग्रिमेज फॉर म्यूजिशियंस. सो पिलग्रिमेज इज अ होली जर्नी. जैसे हम जाते हैं, हिंदू लोग जाते हैं, वैष्णो देवी चले गए, गंगा जी चले गए, और जो सिख लोग हैं वो भी जाते हैं गुरुद्वारा श्री अनंतपुर साहिब, या मुस्लिम्स हैं वो भी जाते हैं मक्का मदीना. सो इन द सेम वे it is assumed, it is assumed nahi, I mean it is a fact that Tansen's tomb, it is a place of pilgrimage for musicians. ये उनके लिए एक तीर्थ यात्रा की तरह है. जो उनका मकबरा है तानसेन जी का, it is like a pilgrimage for musicians. So I hope this chapter is again clear to you. So thank you very much, beta.